So this is a renovation job I have going on. I posted some photos earlier about what the house looked like when I had taken it over. Basically, there was a kitchen through here, some walls and partitions going through, the old bathroom layout, and we've stripped everything right down to the studs so we can gain access to all the electrical wires and all the previous plumbing that was in place. So we tore out all the plumbing, the initial demolition stage, and what I'm left with now is framing in a rough for the new layout. So our new partitions are going in, and we will be making this space here will be the new master bathroom area. Framing up some windows. It is winter here in New England, so I got the place all closed in, and of course our baseboard heaters are still in place. But our next step will be to complete our demolition process, removing some of the older wires that we exposed, and then start with a rough layout. I'll get with the plumbers. We'll go over some details as far as the new toilets and sink layouts. And that way they get a basic idea with these walls up in place, how this whole thing is going to lay out. So our new kitchen going through here, these windows will be removed, and there'll be new windows being framed in off to the side. So I still have some pipes to move. We still have some walls to put up. But at this stage, it's just a general rough to get us into the scope of work and where we're headed with this project. The walls here will be opened up. We'll be doing a pass-through there. You see the wires. I got to have all that stuff removed. I got the pipes in the wall over there going to the heat for the second floor. And over here, there'll be another pass-through. So there's going to be some framing that's going to be involved here. That's a main bearing wall. You can see some of the headers there are exposed for the doorways, bearing the load, and then there's a bit of a header there. All that's going to be reinforced and blocked so we can make our cut-throughs and frame in new headers. There's also going to be another access door over here in this wall, and this will be the main entry in this wall here. We'll have to take those old studs out and then cut through, and then once again head off this area up through here so we can open that up and have access into the bedroom area. So at this stage here, I'm doing a general walkthrough. I got the plumbers on the way, the electricians are on the way, and then we got to establish a new game plan. Now this chimney here that goes right through the middle of our room is actually going to be part of the kitchen. We're going to incorporate this, actually repoint it. There's some bricks that are missing out from the old vents on this side here, so we'll patch those bricks in, repoint it all, and then paint it up. And that's actually going to be a nice little feature going right through the kitchen. So check in more later. I got to go over some things with the guys that are on their way. And we got to establish a game plan. So that's all for now, but go back and take a look at some of those photos on what the place looked like before. And as the job progresses, I'll keep you posted on how this turns out. We're looking at about 6 to 8 weeks in a total turnaround here. So it'll progress relatively quick. We'll be building the cabinets and installing the cabinets. The floors will all be redone in oak to match up into the living room here. And all in all, it should be a nice little project for the next 2 months through the winter. And there's no place like heated space here in New England, that's for sure.